Back here at home, we're dealing with some snow, Lauren.
Yeah, snowy looking scene, kind of a rarity. We've only had 3.9 inches of snow so far this season. Most of that came in November, but now it's back. Getting a live look at Center City, Philadelphia right now. You can see snow falling in the seam, light snow falling in the seam. We'll switch it over to our neighborhood network, and you can see Logan Square, Benjamin Franklin Parkway, looking a little snowy. Cars maybe going a little bit slower there with some snow-covered roads, some white in the scene right now. We already have picked up a dusting of light snowfall over the last couple of hours in Center City, Philadelphia, and Philadelphia County under a winter weather advisory until 1 o'clock Monday, so late Sunday night, and does include South Jersey, the Shore, Northern Delaware, Chester, and Delaware counties, as well. A winter storm warning in effect for central and southern Delaware. We'll see some of the highest totals throughout this event. Storm Scan 3 showing us this big dynamic area of low pressure. Notice this plume of moisture just pulling out of the Gulf of Mexico, but that moisture did have to overcome or erode this cold and very dry Arctic air mass, but it has been able to do that over the last several hours. And snow coming down heavy in nature. Baltimore, Washington, in and around the D.C. area potentially picking up 10 inches of snow with this event, but that snow has moved in the precipitation shield, overtaking much of the Delaware, trying to overtake the Lehigh valleys, but having a tougher time doing so over the last couple of hours with just a few flakes in these areas. But South Jersey right now, Center City, Philadelphia, Gloucester County, Camden County, Burlington County, Cumberland County, seeing the snow coming down the shore as well. The flakes are flying pretty light in intensity at the moment, seeing some heavier pockets now starting to try to push in to Cape May County, and then up towards the Lehigh Valley. The snow is trying to fall right now. I've seen some reports, some surface observations closer to Allentown, but still working on that dry air, trying to build that moisture in. Future weather showing us as we head throughout the overnight period, that snow continuing to fall, steady in nature for most of us, then into tomorrow morning. Best chance of snow, Philadelphia, and points southward as we head throughout the day. And I think we could even see a brief period of heavier snowfall in and around the city the first half of our Sunday. Then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see that best chance of snowfall, especially South Jersey, the shore. The shore, though, we could see quite a bit of mixing, especially as we head into midday tomorrow. Then southern Delaware, going to see that snow persisting as we head even potentially into the evening hours, and maybe even a little bit of snow still in South Jersey if you're heading out and about to the Eagles game at around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then as we head into tomorrow night, wrapping this up, and no falling precip as we head into Monday morning. But a lot of this is not going to melt. Temperatures right now, the closer we are to the freezing mark, the bigger the flakes. So the further away, the smaller the flakes. So we're kind of getting that fluffier style snow. It's easier to brush off. 27 degrees in Philadelphia. We're at 26 in Reading, 27 degrees in Atlantic City. And so overnight tonight, with those temperatures in the middle 20s, it will be that fluffier style snow, nice light winds. And then tomorrow, though, temperatures surpass the freezing mark, so we'll get some of these bigger flakes, and the winds are also going to pick up out of the northeast at around 10 miles per hour. Periods of snow in the city, especially during the morning hours. So some of our snowfall projections showing us what range we're in. The NAM, kind of the outlier. The RPM has been steadily coming up a little bit, painting in a picture of more afternoon potentially snow in the city. And then Euro and GFS going to be the lighter totals there at around an inch and a half. But I think your best bet is going to be about 2 to 4 inches. Some of our short range models didn't get this going as quickly as it actually did. So in and around the city, 2 to 4, and then down to the south, 4 to 6 inches potentially for portions of Delaware, far southern interior New Jersey, and then north of the city. Really the most snow that you're going to see is going to be overnight tonight with a coating to 2, but 2 to 4 expected. Higher totals off to the south, but keep in mind we are going to see no to minimal melting through the day tomorrow. 34 degrees. That's not really going to do anything. Not going to have a ton of sunshine, so do plan for slippery roads, especially on some of these back roads if you are heading out and about, and I know a lot of us are heading out to watch the birds tomorrow, so keep that in mind. The roadways, especially those untreated roads, are going to be very slick because not a lot of this is going to melt. That does fall, and that holds true even into Monday. Sunshine will help us out a little bit, but we're only up to 36 degrees, and then better conditions, a little bit more seasonable. 40 degrees. Not great, but better.
We'll take it.
Yeah.